Back locally now, Arnett Gardens and the defending champions Frazsiers Whip will contest the final of the Jamaica Women's Premier League after impressive semi-final wins over Cavalier and Mile Gully, respectively.
With a first leg lead of 15-0, Frazsiers Whip had little trouble disposing of Mile Gully in their second leg semi-final matchup at Captain Horace Centre of Excellence at UWI. Frazsiers Whip blanked their opponents 8-0 to consolidate their appearance in a fourth consecutive local final. The team from St. Catherine broke the deadlock in the 6th minute through Tajay Stevenson, before Latoya Dehaney added the second 2 minutes later. Jessica Johnson, who had earlier missed a penalty, redeemed herself 11 minutes later with a goal in the 33rd minute. Substitutes Shaniel Buckley grabbed a quick double with strikes in the 51st and 53rd minutes, along with Destiny Powell in the 56th to push the score to 6-0. Dehaney added the 7th on the hour mark before crowd favourite Tissy Thomas completed the scoring in the 83rd minute.
Yes, they came out better today and gave us a better challenge. So I have to give them that credit.
The girls competed well for the most part. Unfortunately, we don't have all the cohorts of our player, but the girls who came out today, they fought very well, and I'm really proud of them. I'm really proud of the season that we have had.
In the second semi-final, Arnett Gardens booked their place in the final with a 4-2 win over Cavalier to advance 6-3 on aggregate. Lydia Hall had the Junglists in front after 17 minutes, but they had to wait until the 53rd minute for the second, when Chanel Spence made it 2-0. Tashika Reed quickly made it 3-0, scoring 2 minutes later. There were some anxious moments for Arnett Gardens as Kershaw Thomas hit back for Cavalier in the 57th minute, and while dominating play, made the game 3-2 when Katie and Edwards converted a 71st minute penalty. However, Spence restored calm to the South St. Andrew team by scoring in the 79th minute.
I'm pretty pleased, we have worked all season. For this, we have actually overachieved based on where we had set out to be. So now it's work time again, We saw some things that we need to focus on and things that we need to get better at.
I mean, I'm not disappointed. I'm happy that my players, finished the game healthy. We came here with just the exact amount of players to start the game. And I mean, I just asked them to just finish the game, I wasn't demanding much of them.
The final is set for Saturday at the same venue. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.